getting. Guess what? I'm hungry. Also very nervous. Bit nippy as well. Cat's playing with paper. I'm going to do something I've never done before with the air fryer. And that is cook a whole chicken. What could possibly go wrong? I do say that a lot because things do go wrong. A lot. Anyway, I've got myself a medium chicken. I wanted to get a small chicken, but I couldn't find one. I'm hoping the medium chicken fits, which it does. I'm nervous. Now, I've looked at the instructions for the air fryer, and the air fryer said 160 degrees for 40 minutes. Whole chicken, draw one only, which is a big draw, up to 1,300 grams. Well, this one is 1 kilogram 262. So, I mean, I couldn't have guessed any better. Didn't know the size. It reckons 50 minutes, 160 degrees. And no flips. I know I'm stupid, but I'm not that stupid. Please remove plastic bag before cooking. Please remove all packaging is removed before cooking. No, really. Thought I could just put it in the bag and cook it like that. Open the bag. There's a chicken. I'm going to pop it in here. I'm starting to get all excited because she will smell raw chicken. The bad news for her is she ain't getting any of it. Oh, it does actually fit quite well. So it's in the air fryer, and it's there's room for the air to get around. So that's good. So 160 degrees, 50 odd minutes. I'll probably say an hour or so, but we're wish me luck. I've also got some potatoes, tin potatoes. I've also got some tin potatoes, which I'm going to do in the other drawer to make them like roast potatoes. And I've got a bit of sweet corn as well, because I do like a bit of sweet corn. So yeah, wish me luck. I'll be back in a bit. Well, it'd be an hour or so for me, but for you it'd be like... So that is the chicken done in an air fryer. Didn't add any fat, didn't add anything really. Just put the chicken in 160 degrees for 50 minutes, and well, it looks okay. Just slightly worried when I cut into it. What will I get? In the background, you can hear the potatoes currently being cooked as well. Oh, I tell you what. You can see or not, but that's juicy. I was not expecting that. And the bone is coming off as well. I was not expecting any of this. I thought it was going to be a bit of a nightmare. I mean, literally, just pulled the leg bone out. What the hell? So this is 50 minutes in an air fryer. I've no idea how this has happened. I generally thought it would be quite dry. I don't know if you can see or not, but there's plenty of liquid. You can see the shininess of it. I'm genuinely gobsmacked. It's the first time I've cooked a chicken not in the oven, whole chicken. Now, the point of this was, I was going to do it, it's so hot as well, I was going to do it as a test for a turkey crown for Christmas, being done in the air fryer. And it's cooked all the way through. I am genuinely surprised. You can see the moisture in that, but that is superb. So, I've got half a chicken. I'm going to leave the rest for tomorrow. Might cut this leg off though. No, it's not a leg, it's a wing, isn't it? No, to cut it off, it just pulls off. Of course it does. Of course it pulls off. Why wouldn't it pull off? Wow. To quote a very funny film, irony can be quite ironic at times. The irony. Weirdly, the potatoes and the sweet corn, they're not ready. But the chicken is, so I'm going to eat the chicken while it's still hot. So I basically cook this, there's juice everywhere. I basically cook this in the air fryer for 50 minutes. It is a chicken, 50 minutes in an air fryer. What does it taste like? Oh my God. I'm not a breast kind of guy. Because, well, it's like the most blandest part of the chicken for me. But I can actually taste chicken. When was the last time you actually tasted chicken? That genuinely is ridiculously tasty. Right. Let's try a chicken wing. It's finger licking good. Right, leg meat. Just remember the bone literally just fell away from it. The knife is literally just falling through this. Start this video, I was somewhat tentative as to whether or not you could cook a chicken in an air fryer, the whole chicken. Yeah, you can. 5 stars out of 5. I'm bamboozled. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.